Kling 3.0 has finally dropped and you can access it right now on Higgsfield. This is huge because we have been waiting for these for weeks, and trust me, the results are absolutely mind-blowing. If you watched my previous video about Kling 3.0 coming soon, where I talked about what we were expecting and hoping for, today we're going to see if those expectations were met. I'm going to show you some incredible videos generated with Kling 3.0, and then I will walk you through exactly how you can use it yourself on Higgsfield. So make sure you watch till the end because this is going to be really exciting. Let's jump right in. Alright, let me show you the first video example generated with Kling 3.0. Look at this. This is incredibly realistic. It looks like someone actually put a camera right in front of this eagle and filmed it in real life. The way the eagle is moving, the way its wings are flapping, the camera following its movements, it's just mind-blowing. You can see how the bird is moving through the air naturally and the camera is tracking it perfectly. This doesn't look like AI generated at all. The motion is smooth, the details are sharp, and everything just feels real. This is the kind of quality we were hoping for, and Kling 3.0 is delivering it. The level of realism here is something we haven't seen before in AI video generation. Now, let me show you the second example. And this one is even more impressive. Watch this carefully. You see this person throwing a punch at the other person? Look at what happens. The moment the punch connects, the video automatically goes into slow motion. It's so cinematic and professional looking. It's like a camera person walked onto this boxing stage, started filming, and then captured this perfect moment. The way the punch lands, the slow motion effect, and even the camera shake that happens afterward, it all feels so natural. You can almost imagine the camera operator getting hit too, which is why the camera shakes. The physics, the timing, the camera movement, everything is working together perfectly. This is absolutely incredible. Here is our third video example. Look at how realistic this is. You can see this person running, jumping up the wall, doing a flip, and then landing perfectly as the ball falls into the basket. The motion is so smooth and natural. When you watch this, it just looks like a normal video someone filmed. But then you remember this is AI generated and it blows your mind. The way the person moves, the physics of the jump, and the rotation in the air, the ball going through the net, every single detail is captured perfectly. There is no worried glitches, no strange movements, nothing that makes you think this is fake. Let me know in the comments if you can even tell this is AI generated, because honestly it's almost impossible to spot. Let me show you the fourth example. This one really shows off the camera movement capabilities of Kling 3.0. Watch this tiger running through the forest. Look at how the camera is tracking it. It's following the tiger perfectly, almost like someone is running behind it with a camera. The camera movement is so smooth and professional. This is one thing I have really noticed about Kling 3.0 is the camera work is outstanding. It knows how to follow the action, how to keep the subject in frame, and how to make everything feel cinematic. This kind of camera tracking would normally require expensive equipment and a skilled camera operator. But here it's all generated by AI. Here is another beautiful example. Just look at the quality and the smoothness of this video. The colors are vibrant, the motion is fluid, and everything looks professionally shot. Kling 3.0 is really pushing the boundaries of what AI video generation can do. Okay, so I'm going to show you a few more quick examples and then I will take you step by step through the Higgsfield website and show you exactly how you can create these kind of videos yourself using Kling 3.0. Here are a few more examples so you can really see the range of what Kling 3.0 can do. Different scenes, different styles, different camera movements, but all of them looking incredibly realistic and professional. Alright, I hope you saw how amazing Kling 3.0 is at creating videos. Now let me show you how you can use Kling 3.0 yourself to generate videos on Higgsfield. It's actually really simple and I'm going to walk you through every step. First, you need to go to the Higgsfield website. I will put the link in the description below and also in the pinned comments so you can easily find it and click on it. Once you arrive on the Higgsfield website, you will see a video option. Click on that. Now you will see different options here. First, click on General and here you will see Kling 3.0 and Kling 3.0 only. For now, I'm going to select Kling 3.0 from here. After selecting that, you will see options for start frame and end frame. These are optional. You can upload a starting image and an ending image if you want, but you don't have to. Below that, you will see an option called multi-shot. If you enable this, you can add prompts for different shots. You can write a prompt for the first shot, then select the duration of that shot, and then click add shot to add the next scene. You can create multiple shots this way, and they will be combined into one video. But remember, the total duration including all scenes can only be up to 15 seconds, because Kling 3.0 can generate videos up to 15 seconds maximum. Now, if you don't want to use multi-shot, you can just turn it off. For a normal single video, you will write your prompt here in the text box. Just describe what you want to see in the video. Be clear and specific. Now, below that, you can turn sound on or off for your video. Then, there is an option called elements. This is really useful. Here, you can upload a set of images of one character or object, and Kling 3.0 will keep that look consistent across the whole video. So if you want the same person to appear throughout your video, you can upload their images right here. Next, you need to select the model. You will see three models available under Kling 3.0. There is Kling 3.0, Kling 3.0 Omni, and Kling 3.0 Omni Edit. For this tutorial, I'm going to select Kling 3.0. Then you have video duration. Like I mentioned earlier, Kling 3.0 can generate videos up to 15 seconds long, which is exactly what we were expecting from my previous video about Kling 3.0 coming soon. You can adjust the duration here based on what you need. After that, you need to select the ratio. Choose whether you want a landscape, portrait, or square video. Then comes resolution. Here you have two options, 720p and 1080p. Now, in my earlier video, I mentioned that we were hoping Kling 3.0 might offer 4K quality, but unfortunately, that's not available yet. 1080p is the highest quality right now. And honestly, 1080p still looks really good, as you saw in all those examples. So once you have set everything up the way you want, just click on generate and Kling 3.0 will start creating your video. It might take a few minutes depending on the length and complexity, but the results are absolutely worth the wait. So let's quickly talk about what we expected versus what we actually got. In my previous coming soon video, I talked about longer clips, and yes, we got 15 seconds, which is great. I talked about better quality and smoother motion, and absolutely the quality is incredible. The physics and interactions are much better. Characters and objects stay consistent. The camera movement is outstanding. Multi-shot sequences are available. So most of our expectations were met. The only thing that didn't happen was 4K output. We were still at 1080p, which is a bit disappointing, but the overall quality is so good that it's still a massive upgrade. And honestly, for most creators, 1080p is more than enough for social media and YouTube content. Now, one more important thing I need to tell you, Higgsfield is currently offering Kling 3.0 Unlimited with a 70% discount on their premium plans. This is a huge deal because you can generate as many videos as you want without worrying about limits. If you're serious about creating AI videos, this is the perfect time to grab this offer. I will put the link in the description and in the pinned comment. They also have a full user guide with the best prompt tips on their blog, and I will link that too so you can learn how to write better prompts and get even better results. Alright everyone, that's everything you need to know about Kling 3.0 on Higgsfield. This is genuinely the best AI video model available right now. The quality is incredible, the features are powerful, and it's actually easy to use. If you are a content creator, a filmmaker, or just someone who loves experimenting with AI tools, you need to try this. Go to Higgsfield, start creating, and see what you can make.